DeepSeek AI application is already on a number one position in this category in the App Store. And in this video, let's see how to use the application, and let me take you through the application, how it works. So first of all, here is the application, how it looks. Okay, just go ahead and open the application now. Once you open DeepSeek AI application, the layout or the home page, if you see the structure, is almost similar to your ChatGPT application on an iPhone or any device. Okay, it is almost similar, and here if you see the functions are almost similarly placed here. At the left side top corner there is an option for your chats, so whatever chats you are doing with the DeepSeek AI will be listed here. Okay, similarly function available here to view your previous chats. Okay, and below if you see in the down part, here is your chat box or message box to type your prompt. So anything you want to type or ask, just go ahead and tap here or enter here. Once you do that, below there are two options given to you, that is your DeepThink R1, also the search or a globe icon. So what is DeepThink R1? So DeepThink R1 is a more advanced version of your DeepSeek AI. Just like how we have ChatGPT premium option, similarly here is your DeepThink but free. It is not paid, freely. Basically DeepThink AI works just like your human brain. So as a human, how we think before executing anything, so any action or anything if we want to do, before that we think, right? There are many questions we answer, there are many angles, many points we consider. Similarly here, the deep think R1 will consider, will think just like a human brain. It will list out all the points, and whatever it is thinking it will list down here, and after thinking that, after many thoughts, it will start giving you answer or start drafting your answer. Just like how you can see on screen here, if you use DeepThink R1, you'll see the action or changes here compared to your normal DeepSeek AI chatbot. Also here we have a search icon, that is for your web search. As compared to your Gemini and ChatGPT, DeepSeek AI is not that active right now, or it might be the server issue, because earlier when ChatGPT was launched initially, there was many issues with the server because there was a lot of traffic. Similar issue might be occurring here in DeepSeek AI, but as I compare to ChatGPT, right now current time on this date, the search icon doesn't work here. Maybe the server issue or a traffic issue. Also here you can upload your documents like your file, your images, your photos by camera. You can do that also here. Also, right side top corner, there is a plus icon for a new chart. So anytime you want to create a new chart, just go ahead and tap on that. You can create a new chat here or for new prompts. So guys, that's it about your DeepSeek AI application on your device. Okay, I just explained you the basic features, how it works and how to use them. Okay, there will be more videos regarding comparing with your chat GPT and Gemini with many prompts, how it works and what are the features as compared to chat GPT in real time. So guys, that's it. I hope it helped you. I hope it was a helpful video for you and informative. And if you like this video, I request you please like the video and subscribe for amazing videos like this for future watching. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.